When talking about smartphone industry, it is said that Apple, among all the other manufacturers, has the largest market share. It is even said that 3 out of every 10 smartphone users have an iPhone on them. But today, I'm going to tell you a few such features which are unknown to most of the iPhone users. So, let's get started. Hey guys, this is me Hardik. Welcome to the channel. We are iGeeks, and today I'm gonna tell you a few features of iPhone that you might just have missed. Now, of course, you all know how to start screen recording on your iPhone. You will just need to go to Control Center, and over there you'll find a tile with 2 concentric circles over there. You just press on it and your recording will start. As simple as that. And if you are not able to find that tile over there, then just go to Settings. From there you go to Control Center. Over there you will find an option in More Controls named Screen Recording. You just need to go on that and press on Add. And that way the screen recording tile would be added to your Control Center. Easy, right? Simple. But did you know this? If you press and hold on your screen recording option, that way you will be able to go to screen recording menu, and over there you will find that microphone option is also available. That means that whenever you are trying to record your screen, if at all you want the sounds included in your screen recording, then you need to turn your microphone on. Now, whenever we are typing on our iMessage, our mail app or our notes app, and we make some mistake and we want to delete that sentence, we just don't need to go and delete every single word. We can just shake to undo. For that, you just need to go to your settings. From there, go to accessibility. Over there, you can go to touch, and from there, you need to find this option called shake to undo. Now, if this toggle is off, then you can turn it on. Whenever you are typing on your iMessage, your notes app or your email, then you can just shake to undo. Now, this might also work on other third-party apps, but it really depends on the developers if at all they've accommodated this feature in their app or not. So this is something that you'll have to try and figure out yourself. The next feature which I want to talk about is very basic but very smart, and that is why I want to talk about it over here, because what if you have missed it? You just need to go to Photos. Over there you need to go to your albums, and in the end you'll find the utilities option where you can find duplicates. Here you'll find all those pictures which might have unique resolutions, file formats or slight differences, but they have same metadata and they are exact copies of each other. And that is why you can just select the 4 photos and try to merge it, and then you need to merge 2 exact copies, or else you can also decide to delete them. This feature will definitely help you to free up some space from your phone and even improve its performance. The next feature that I want to talk about is again in front of your eyes, and I don't know how you keep on missing that. So we'll take a pause, we'll breathe a bit, and then we'll like the video, we'll share the video, we'll subscribe it, and definitely never ever forget to hit that bell icon. The feature that we're going to talk about next has just been introduced with iOS 16 and is totally a lifesaver. For that, you just need to go to your settings. From there, you just need to go to Wi-Fi, and over there, you can select the Wi-Fi for which you need to know the password for, and then press the info button. Once you're inside that menu, just touch on password, and once the ID is done, you will be able to see the password for that particular network. Isn't that cool? Now, this feature might come in very handy if at all you're working at a place with multiple Wi-Fis and you can't keep a track of them. So every time you need to share your password with somebody else, you can always go and check the password. But there is a little catch over here. Now, let's say you need password for a certain Wi-Fi network. For that, you need to be connected to that network previously or recently at least once, so that your phone can show you the password for the same. Exactly. Yes, you got it right. That does not mean that you can just take your neighbor's network and find out the password and then keep on using their Wi-Fi for free. Yeah, that does not work like that. You need to pay some money. But yeah, you don't need to pay money to like this video and share it across. So just saying. Now, we all keep on using calculator on our iPhones for various purposes and various calculations on a daily basis. But do you know that for every calculation, you don't need to go to the calculator app. For that, you just need to go to Spotlight, and then you need to enter your basic calculation. Over here, I am opting for multiplication. And as you can see, the results is in front of our eyes. Similarly, you can also go for subtractions additions and divisions. Next, we have magnifier. You can always look up for magnifier and then drag it to your home screen if at all you feel like it. As magnifier works, here zoom in, zoom out will work perfectly for you, and over here you will be also able to choose which kind of lens you want to work upon. Is it a macro mode or a front camera? You can also select your brightness. Apart from that, you can also select the filters. If you feel it is dark enough, then you can always turn on your flashlight, and then you can always go into detection mode. Over here, the first option is people detection, and when turned on, you'll be able to see how far another person is standing from you. Secondly, you will have door detection mode, wherein you can find out that how far the door is exactly from your sitting position. And lastly, we'll have image description, wherein whatever comes in front of your lens, it tries to describe it to you or name it to you. You can change settings for all of them from settings option and then going into detectors. While using a certain app, have you had this feeling that you need to change the fonts, you need to make them larger, you need to make them bolder? Now, you need that setting for that particular app. You don't want your entire user interface to change. Then what to do? You just need to go to settings. From there, you need to go to accessibility. Over there, you need to look for per app settings. Here, you can add an app for which you need to make the changes. I've selected notes and I want my text more bold. Then I also want the size to be large. There are other options as well, which you can do permutation combinations according to your own preference. While using Safari browser, have you observed that whatever you download, it goes to a particular folder? But what if I want to change that destination folder and now onwards, I want all my downloads to go here instead of here? Then what to do? Let me tell you. You just need to go to your settings. Over there, you need to look for Safari. And over there, you need to look for downloads, where you'll have two options. Either you want to download on cloud or on your phone. If at all you want to pinpoint a certain folder which you have in mind, then go to others and then you can select that folder wherever it is. That way, all your downloads would be routed to that new folder which you have chosen for yourself. So I hope that all of you knew all of those features. But if at all I told you at least one new thing today, then you have to comment down below and tell me what it was. I'll see you next time. This is me, Hardik. We are iGeeks Blog, and you are also an Apple fanatic. Then do not forget to download the iGB app from your app store. Till then, take care. God bless.